Hi, my name's Jonathan Vowles. Welcome to JV Chartered Accountants. A real office, we do work and have piles of paper and stuff like that, just what you'd expect. But perhaps what you don't expect are some of the things that we can achieve. Now, one of the things we do, we're tax specialists. We try to make a difference for our customers. Now that could be, we're talking about somebody who is currently a sole trader, and we advise them on the best way of turning their business into something else. Now that something else could be a partnership, it could be a limited company, and there are reasons why they might choose either of those. And what's quite important is to understand not just, well, what are the tax differences and what does it make in terms of the tax planning, because let's face it, we're tax planners. However, what's really important is to make sure that you think of the commercial aspects as well, because at the end of the day, tax should be a consequence of the things that you do to make your business a success. A lot of people choose to use a limited company, and it has very particular advantages. The first one is the commercial advantage. A limited company gives you limited liability. It kind of does what it says on the tin. But also there are tax advantages. Sometimes those tax advantages can be really worthwhile having. But basically it's the advantage of being able to choose whether to pay yourself a salary as the business owner or a dividend as the business owner. And there are different reasons why you might do both, or one or the other. And if you come in for a free initial consultation, which we offer to anybody who wants to ring in using the numbers on the screen, if you ring in and arrange for your 1 hour consultation, we'll take you through the differences that might mean for you as an individual. Now, there are one or two other things. If you incorporate a business that was previously a sole trade or a partnership, you can sometimes get a one-off, a very particular tax advantage. And if you are in that situation, that's a very good reason to come along and talk to me, because we're tax specialists. We know how to get it right to make sure that you do get the advantage that you are potentially capable of getting. Now, let's talk to you about something else. When you're running a limited company, there are some things that are quite important to get right. Simple things, mechanical things. And the first of those is to make sure that your invoices are in the right name. Sounds a bit strange, a bit simple, but actually potentially quite important. Now, what do I mean by the right name? What I mean is, if you're running your business as a limited company, you want to make sure that all of your invoices are addressed to your limited company. They actually say XYZ Limited on the invoice, so that we know that it is a cost of the business. And that's really quite important, firstly for VAT, but also if we're talking about things like, I don't know, your mobile phone bill or your broadband bill, it's quite important for other reasons that have to do with income tax and national insurance. Won't bore you with the technical detail, just tell you the practical thing. Get stuff addressed to your business. A little tip, potentially a very rewarding tip, because it can save you problems further down the line. My name's Jonathan Vowles from JV Chartered Accountants, helping to change numbers and make a difference to you and your business.